Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to put one of these messenger plugins on your website. So if you have a Shopify store and you want to put this on your website, there's a couple of ways you can do it that are very easy, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do that today. The first way is going to be using Chatfuel. So if you have a Chatfuel bot, it takes about 5 minutes, maybe even less, maybe 2 minutes to set up. And if you want to just do it directly, you can also do that as well right through Facebook. So let me show you what it looks like on a web page first. So here we are on a web page, and we just landed, and right away this plugin pops up and it says chat now, and it knows who I am, and it's giving me a message, hi, how can I help you? Now you can even change this message, and we could even create a coupon. We could say, hey, here's an extra 10% off. And as soon as they start talking to the bot can give them the coupon. That's one way to get people right into your bot. There's many other ways depending on what your goals are, but this is very powerful tool. So let's jump in and let me show you how to do it first using Chatfuel. So what we want to do is when we're in our Chatfuel template, in our bot, we want to come down to grow. So when we're in the grow tools, you'll see a number of different tools here that will help you make your bot more popular. So the one we're going to be using today is the customer chat plugin for your website. So let's go ahead and enable that. The way we're going to do that is we're going to select this. We're going to come to our website, our Shopify store, and we're going to select it. And we'll make sure you get it exactly right, because if you get it even a little wrong, it won't work. So you come in here and we put in the name of the website. Here we'll just call it plug in, and this will let us know that this is where the users came from. Chatfuel is really cool in that it allows you to set up parameters, so you can treat different people in your bot differently. If you know, for example, if you have a bunch of men in your bot, you could send them t-shirts, and women you could send them tank tops. If someone came in from one of your pages, you could give them different messaging than if they came from a different part of your website or a different piece of content. And this makes this tool really popular. So now we have this, and this is the code that Facebook is making available to us via Chatfuel. So we're going to go ahead and copy that, and we're going to go to our Shopify store. So when you're in your Shopify store, you're going to go to online store, and we're going to go in themes and insert it. But before I do that, I wanted to tell you really quickly about this app. It's called GoBeyond. GoBeyond automatically connects Shopify to Chatfuel. It automatically pulls all your products, and then it does a bunch of really smart things like capturing people that have abandoned their carts. It'll send them a message on Messenger. It'll upsell them. It'll downsell them. It'll send them coupons. Even if they have questions about shipping, this app right here will answer those questions. And it's the GoBeyond app. So it's available. Now let's continue. Let's go right back into the online store. Here we are. So now that we're in the online store, we want to make sure we're in themes. And then under actions, we're going to come down to edit code. Now we're in the back end of your store. There's a lot of files here. The one file that we're going to be using is the theme.liquid file. So go ahead and select that. This is the only file we'll be touching, and we'll be inserting that one piece of code right after the body. So locate the body. Here we are. We've located it. And then come down 2 lines, just so you have some space. Copy and paste that code that we got earlier. And just let's take a quick look at it so you know what it looks like and what it does. Here's the Facebook plugin. It'll have your parameters in here, and we want to go ahead and save it. But before we save it, let me preview just to see what our page looks like before. So this is what our page looks like right now. So now let's save. Cool, it's been saved, and now let's see what it looks like. Bam. And right, just like that, it's available, and we can go ahead and play with it, and it's available to use right away. So this is how easy it is to implement this. Now, the second way to do this is by going on your Facebook page. What you need to do is you need to replicate the process that Chatfuel automated for us. And that process is whitelisting a domain. So what you need to do is you need to go to your page. So here we are at our GoBeyond page. And from here, we'll go to settings. And from settings, we go to Messenger platform. And once we're at Messenger platform, this is where we can manipulate a lot of these things. So here is our Chatfuel bot, and here are our whitelisted domains. So we can add that whitelisted domain and we could save it. And once we've done that, we can go ahead and use the customer chat plugin wizard. Now, the cool thing here is that essentially Facebook will give us that same piece of code that we received from Chatfuel. So I won't go through the entire thing, but I will show you one super cool part, which is this is where you get to change your little message. So if you wanted to change the message from "Hi, how are you?" to "Hi, here's 10% off," go ahead and save that. And bam, we just changed the messaging on it. So I won't go through this because we've already gone through this process. Next, it's basically going to give me that code snippet. And then on the third step, it's going to ask me to put it on my website. So we already have that. You understand how to do that now. If you guys have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments or let me know otherwise. And remember that one of the easiest ways to create a bot for your Shopify store is to use a combination of Chatfuel and GoBeyond. What GoBeyond does is it takes your store and automatically turns it into a chatbot. It automatically answers shipping questions. It upsells, it downsells, it cross-sells, and then it's also obviously available 24/7, so you don't have to have people there all the time, and it has a number of other really great features. So if you're at all interested, you can come give it a shot. There's a free trial, there's a free version of it, so more than welcome to use it, and hope you have a great rest of your day. Thank you, and goodbye.